Come on, do it! Do this, do this! Tornado!
Holy shit!
Yeah, let's go!
Holy shit!
Tornado in progress! What's up, buddy? Get a shot. Oh, you're good, bud.
That's pretty. Yeah, it should be. It looks like it's gonna go east. Look at that.
Do Evansville.
Yeah.
Kyle, we gotta get east. Ah, shit, yeah.
There. And I knew.
Guys, I really do believe we need to get it east.
Yeah, we need to get going. Sort of.
Oh my god! Holy shit! Alright, I'm going easy. 1.1 miles. That is a big tornado! Multi-vortex! Multi-vortex!